your baby has suffered a brain injury at birth or some other type of injury, and now you have questions because the doctor talked to you about this condition called Meconium Aspiration syndrome, and now you have questions and concerns. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really important information that deals with meconium and meconium aspiration syndrome and how it can lead to an injury at birth for a baby if doctors do not take certain actions. All right, so let me back up for you and help you understand what is meconium. Well, essentially, meconium is the baby's stool. And when we couple meconium with other types of factors, for example, a low heart rate on the fetal heart monitor and other things present, these signs can, in some instances, alert doctors and nurses that the baby is no longer tolerating at vaginal delivery well, and that the doctors may need to move to other things to help the baby out, namely an emergency C-section. So you have two types of injuries that I would like to talk about today when we're dealing with meconium. The first being is infections and problems with the baby's lungs. This is due to the fact that when the mother's water breaks, sometimes meconium will be present and the baby can ingest that meconium. And meconium is a really sticky type of substance, and it can get in the baby's lungs and it can affect the baby's oxygen level and breathing level. Now, when we have situations in which we have a baby not getting enough oxygen, then what can we have? That's right, it can lead to a brain injury. Now, while the baby is coming out during delivery, remember the baby is breathing and being sustained, so to say, through the umbilical cord. But when the baby is out and meconium is present, a lot of instances the doctors are looking to see if the meconium got below the cords. Because if it did, then that's a good indication that the meconium, the baby has ingested it and that it has gotten into the lung area. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because more than likely, if you are watching this video today, your baby has suffered some type of birth injury, either a brain injury or has had an infection which has led to other types of serious complications for your child. And you have questions regarding what's going on. You're concerned about the challenges that your baby is going to meet going into the future. Well, if you have these types of questions and concerns, and you would like to speak with me further about what's going on, this is what I invite you to do. You can reach me through two telephone numbers, the first being 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can also use a second phone number, which is 1-833-4-BABY-HELP. In addition to those telephone numbers, you can also contact me through email, and you can reach out to me at medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. You can also visit my website if you would like to just learn more about this process in Maryland long term. You can go to my website, and while you are there, you can download our free ebook, which talks about a lot of the issues surrounding birth injury issues in the state of Maryland. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I am Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and I will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.